Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to English with Shabnam ma'am. This is not mine but your channel. Thank you so much for your support first of all. And today we are going to, as you can see on the screen, quick revision series, mixed question practice we are going to do. But there is a surprise questions for you, so you have to watch the video till end to see which kind of questions I have brought today and you are going to practice. This is the last moment preparation for you, so do watch the video till the end. And before starting the class, I would request you to everybody to subscribe the channel and share more to more students, and who have already done, thank you so much everybody for your kind support. And also let me tell you, it take too much time to prepare a content, especially being a literature student, being a literature teacher. You know that whether it's online or offline, it take too much time to get the right content, factual content, that the content should be true, there should not be any error, but it still happens, so you can understand. I want you to understand and support accordingly. Appreciate, learn to appreciate. Eventually, you are going to become a teacher, so you know that teaching online and offline, how different you can understand. So, this is what I just wanted to tell you, everybody. So, let's start the class. Do subscribe, please subscribe, okay? Let's start the class. And here is the first question on your screen, everybody. Matching and chronology questions we will do, but before that, today is Sunday, so quick revision series we are going to do the pattern. First question, you can see, which of the following set of characters in Charles Dickens novels is in the correct chronological order of publication? I told you that there is a surprising question for you, so you have to wait till the end. As per the publication, you have to find out the correct chronological sequence of Charles Dickens characters. Which is going to be correct? Quick revision series, so we have to find out the answer quickly. So let me show you the answer. The question was that which of the following set of characters in Charles Dickens novels, let me tell you, Charles Dickens novels, characters, publication here, everything inside the chapter is very, very important for UGC NET if you are preparing. So do not miss him. Do not miss this writer. So here is the answer. Correct chronological sequence is option 2. That means you have to put Pip, Fagin, Little Nell and Sydney Carton. Let me explain you what does it signify. Here the correct chronological sequence as per the publication, Pip, this character appears, Great Expectations. Philip Pirip, the real name is, in short, he is known as Pip, which was published in 1860 to 1861. This novel was Bildungsroman, picaresque novel, that means with the novel that shows the growth and development of a character from childhood. And here next character you have Fagin. This character appears in Oliver Twist, which was published before Great Expectations. Next you have Little Nell. This character appears in the Old Curiosity Shop, which was published after Oliver Twist. And Sydney Carton is the character from A Tale of Two Cities, which was published after the Old Curiosity Shop. Remember this character: Pip, Fagin, Little Nell and Sydney Carton. Pip related to Great Expectations, Fagin, Oliver Twist, Little Nell, The Old Curiosity Shop and Sydney Carton, A Tale of Two Cities. So these are the correct chronological order of as per their publication. Next question, everybody. Here, which of the following Indian literary characters is arranged in correct chronological order of publication? Here you have Chandran, Bakha, Bim, Mohan Viswas. You have to arrange them as per the correct chronological sequence as per the publication. If you have watched the previous video of chronology and matching, you can imagine how many questions you have faced based on the publication, whether it's writer, character, novel, work, birth. So what is going to be the correct answer? Characters is arranged in correct chronological order of publication. Indian literary characters. Okay, let me show you the answer. Baka, I guess, is going to be the first one. So here you can see answer number 2, that is Baka. The work that was published first as per the chronological sequence, we can see here 1935 Baka, untouchable work by Mulk Raj Anand. Then Chandran, we have the Bachelor of Arts by R.K. Narayan in 1937. Mohan Viswas, we have A House for Mr. Viswas by V.S. Nepal, the Caribbean diaspora writer, published in 1961. And the last we have Bim from Clear Light of the Day by Anita Desai, which was published in 1980. So these are the correct chronological sequence of the characters from Indian literature as per the publication. Do remember everyone? Let's move to the next question. Do like, share and subscribe the channel everyone. Next question, you have arrange the following characters from American novels in the correct chronological order of their publication. You have Hester Prynne, Huck Finn, Jay Gatsby and Holden Caulfield. These are the 4 characters. You have to arrange them in a correct chronological order of their publication from American novels. These characters have been taken from the American novels and you have to put them in correct chronological order of their publication. There are a lot more surprising questions, so do watch till the end. This is going to be extremely helpful for your last moment preparation, so do not miss and share more to more. Do share. If you are becoming a true supporter of this channel, do share content to more and more students, everyone. So what's going to be the correct answer? Arrange the following characters from American novels in correct chronological order of their publication. The answer you have option 1, that is Hester Prynne, Huck Finn, Jay Gatsby, and Holden Caulfield. Here, Hester Prynne, you know Nathaniel Hawthorne, the novel published in 1850, American novelist Nathaniel Hawthorne, Puritan age he belongs to. Hester Prynne, the character from the work The Scarlet Letter. I have a question for you, that what was the name of her daughter and her husband? Do comment. Next, you have Huck Finn from the work Adventures of Huckleberry Finn by Mark Twain, very popular, 1884 the work was published. Next one, you have Jay Gatsby, The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald, 1925 publication. And the next one, you have Holden Caulfield, The Cather in the Rye by J.D. Salinger, published in 1951. These are the correct chronological sequence of the characters from American novel. Next question, everyone. Next question, you have which characters from modern drama appear in correct chronological order of their publication. Modern drama, the character we have taken from modern drama, and the character we have Nora Helmer, Vladimir, Stanley and Jerry. You have to guess that which character appears first. Which character appears first in which work that published in chronological sequence first. Which is going to be the correct one? Quickly. Do like, share and subscribe the channel, and do appreciate. Eventually, a teacher's work should be appreciated by the students, then the teacher feel motivated to bring more helpful content. I just want to focus on my content. I want to provide more and more helpful content, everybody. So what is going to be the correct answer? Modern drama. The character, you have to put them in correct chronological order of their publication, and the answer you have option A, that is Nora Helmer, Vladimir, Stanley, and Jerry. Here, in which work they appear? Nora Helmer, A Doll's House by Henrik Ibsen, 1879. The work was published. Vladimir, Waiting for Godot, together with Estragon. Samuel Beckett, 1953. Published. In which year the French version of this work was published? Do comment your answer, everybody. Waiting for Godot. Stanley, we have The Birthday Party by Harold Pinter, 1957. Jerry, The Zoo Story by Edward Albee, 1959. This is your last moment preparation, memorizing the characters with their publication work. Their work is also very, very important. So do not miss this video. Watch till end. Next question, everyone. Here you have identify the correct chronological order of these characters' appearance. Now you have to identify that which character in the work appears first as per their publication, that which character appears first. Option 1 you have Pip, Stephen Blackpool, Swami, and Salim Sinai. Four options you have, and also fifth options you have none of the above. You can find anyone. Correct chronological order of these characters appearance, which is going to be the correct one. And also who want to get more information, update regarding the channel, post, or any other information, do join the Telegram channel. Link is given in bio and description. Do join. What is going to be the correct answer? Correct chronological order of these characters' appearances. An answer you have, everyone. Option 1, that is Pip from Great Expectation, Stephen Blackpool, Swami, and Salim Sinai. Salim Sinai you have from Midnight Children, Swami from R.K. Narayan's Swami and Friends, and Stephen Blackpool, I am forgetting the name, from Hard Times by Charles Dickens. Here you have Pip, Great Expectations by Charles Dickens, published in 1860 to 61. By memorizing each word, each work, publication year repeatedly will help you to remember the word everything for a longer period of time. So do repeat. Stephen Blackpool, from which work? Hard Times. By which writer? Charles Dickens. And in which work the work was published? 1854. Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan, published in 1935. Salim Sinai, you have Midnight Children by Salman Rushdie, published in 1981. Next question, everybody. Next question you have arrange the correct characters in the correct chronological order of their publication again, and the characters you have Jane Eyre, Nora Helmer, Sally, and Offred. Jane Eyre, Nora Helmer, Sally, and Offred. Publication. If the character appears in a particular work, in which year the work has been published, you have to put them as per the publication. Which is going to be the correct answer? Jane Eyre, Nora Helmer, Sally, and Offred. So correct answer of the question is here you have answer option 1, that is Jane Eyre. Remember Charlotte Bronte, the three Bronte sisters, published in 1847. Charlotte Bronte, novelist. Jane Eyre, very popular work by her, 1847. Next you have Nora Helmer, A Doll's House by Henrik Ibsen, 1879. Sally, The Color Purple by Alice Walker, 1982. And the last one you have Offred, The Handmaid's Tale by Margaret Atwood, 1985. Do remember. There are a lot more surprising questions, so do not move. Do not. This is the repeat, so we can skip this question. Next question you have Which characters are arranged in the correct chronological order of their publication? Okonkwo, Salim Sinoy, Adela Quest, and Balram Halwai. These are the four characters. You have to find out that as per the publication, which character appears first. Put them in a correct chronological sequence, everyone. Do share this session to more and more students, everybody. So the correct answer of this question is going to option 3, that is you have to put Okonkwo. Do you remember which work this character appear? Things Fall Apart, Salim Sinoy, Midnight Children, Adela Quested, The Passage to India, and Balram Halwai, the one of the Indian literature, the Bachelor of Arts, or maybe White Tiger. It's here Okonkwo Things Fall Apart by Chinua Achebe, published in 1958. Very important work. This remember the trilogy work. Do not forget. This work is very important. Adela Quested, A Passage to India by E.M. Foster, 1984. Do not forget this work. Do prepare about this. Salim Sinoy, Midnight Children by Salman Rushdie, 1981. And Balram Halwai, you have The White Tiger by Arvind Adiga, published in 2008. Let's move on to the next question. Next question you have, which of the following options is not correctly matched in the context of Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice? Mr. Collins, a clergyman; Mr. Darcy, Lydia's husband; Mr. Bennet, father of Elizabeth; Lady Catherine, Mr. Darcy's aunt; and more than one of the above. Which is going to be the correct one? Not correctly matched, you have to find in a negative term that not correctly matched in the context of Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice. Tell me that in which year this novel was published. Mr. Colin, Mr. Darcy, Mr. Bennet, Lady Catherine, and more than one of the above. Not correctly matched. Mr. Collins was a clergyman. Mr. Darcy, Lydia's husband, Darcy and Elizabeth Barrett. Do you remember Elizabeth Bennet? He wasn't a husband of Lydia's, so this is going to we are going to eliminate this. That this is the incorrect match of in terms of Pride and Prejudice. Mr. Darcy was not husband of Lydia, but at the end of the novel, he married to Elizabeth. Next question you have, which of the following options is not correctly matched in the context of Charlotte Bronte's Jane Eyre? Mr. Royster, master of Thornfield Hall; Mrs. Reed, Jane's adoptive mother; St. John Rivers, Jane's cousin; Bertha Mason, Jane's sister; or none of the above. Which is going to be the correct one? Not correctly matched, everybody. Do not miss this session in terms of the character, and there are a lot more surprising question. I'm not going to tell you, but you have to watch till the end. So do watch. At least you will memorize the character and the work and the writer. So do not miss. And it's a request to please share the content to more and more student, everybody. Do share. So which is going to be the correct answer? Option is not correctly matched in the context of Charlotte Bronte's Jane Eyre is option 4, that is Bertha Mason's Jane's sister. That is incorrect. Bertha Mason is Mr. Royster's first wife, not Jane's sister. So this was the incorrect, you have to eliminate. Next question you have, which of the following options is not correctly matched in the context of Thomas Hardy's Tess of the Urbervilles? Option 1 you have Tess, daughter of John Durbeyfield. Option 2, Angel Clare, Tess seducer. Option 3, Alec de Urberville, villainous figure. And option 4, Joan, Tess mother. Option 5, none of the above. Not correctly matched in the context of Thomas Hardy's Tess of the Urbervilles. Which is going to be the correct answer? Let me tell you that by watching my video, my content, you are learning English speaking. You are watching all video in English throughout the video, throughout the hour you are, if you are watching. So you are listening, you are practicing. So this is what I believe, that watching my video is helpful, it is beneficial for you. So if anybody is not appreciating and expecting that I should post or bring it in Hindi, sorry, I can't do that, because I have also faced, let me tell you that I am also was the student that being an English literature student, I wanted to see many content, many thing in English to English only, but due to Hindi, I was so fed up and I was so disturbed that I could not understand what they are actually teaching. I'm not saying speaking English or speaking Hindi is bad. The Hindi is our mother tongue. We can't deny. We respect, but I just want to tell you, I just want to make you feel that if you have learned English, if you want to speak, if you want to study continuously in English, then what's the problem in that? What is the problem? There is nothing wrong, no? My first aim was that there were students like me, that who are also expecting that there should be someone who taught, who teach in English. Whole video, whole content should be in English to English only, not Hindi, so that they can understand. If they have studied English medium in their life. So this is what my motive was, that's why I started. So if anyone has problem, that's not the good thing. You are learning a lot. I have find many channels to learn and speak in English, so that I can able to understand what they are saying and what I should understand, but I was not. So I thought that there are many students like me, that's why I thought that whenever I teach online, I will only teach English to English. So this is what I wanted to share everybody. And I'm a beginner, it's just a 3 or 4 month I started this when I uploaded my first video. So okay, it happens, but we have to study for our exam. Let's the thing get aside and do the check the answer of the question number 12. So what we have to do, we have to find out that which of the following options was not correctly matched in the context of Thomas Hardy's test of D'Urberville's. So here is the option you have. Answer 2, there, Alec is the one who seduces Tess. Angel is her husband, not her seducer. So here, if this thing is mentioned, you can simply eliminate. Angel Clare was husband of Tess. This work, let me tell you everybody, is very very important in terms of everything. Deep study it requires. Next question we have is question number 13. Which of the following options is not correctly matched in the context of Dickens' Great Expectations? And I'm feeling great also that students are commenting in English. They are asking if they have any doubt, if I have put anything wrong. So they are complaining, they are asking. So what I feel very good when they are doing this. At least if I am doing wrong, they are familiar, they are knowledgeable, they know the true answer, right answer. Quickly find out everyone. Not correctly matched in the context of Dickens' great Pip narrator and protagonist, Macwich Pip's secret benefactor, Estella Miss Havisham's niece, and Joe Gregory, Pip's brother. What is going to be the correct answer? Peep was the narrator and protagonist, correct. Magwitch, Peep's secret benefactor, was correct. Estella, Miss Havisham's niece, and Joe Gregory, Peep's brother. There was no mention of the brother in this novel, A Great Expectation, but brother-in-law. So we can eliminate this. Option 4, Joe Gregory, whom Peep used to live, was his elder sister and brother-in-law. You can see. Next question, everyone. Which of the following options is not correctly matched in the context of Shakespeare's Macbeth? Lady Macbeth, Macbeth's wife; Banquo, Macbeth's friend and fellow general; Duncan, King of England; Macduff, Thane of Five; or fifth option you have none of the above. Which is going to be the correct, not correctly matched in the context of Macbeth? There are three witches. This was the novel we started learning about this in our school time, and since then we are studying now. What is going to be the correct answer in terms of negative? So the correct answer of this question is option 3, that is Duncan is the king of Scotland, not England. Next question, everyone. Which of the following options is not correctly matched in the context of R.K. Narayan's The Guide? Raju, a railway guide turned spiritual figure; Rosie, a classical dancer; Marco, Rosie's father; Malgudi, fictional town in South India; or option 5, you have more than one of the above. R.K. Narayan's The Guide, very popular work published in 1958, and in which this work movie is also made. Which is going to be the correct one? Which option you will eliminate, everybody? Tell me quickly. Raju was a railway guide turned spiritual figure, right? So this is going to be the correct. Rosie was a classical dancer. Marco was Rosie's father. No, he was husband. So we can choose option 3. This is the correct answer. Option 3, Marco is Rosie's husband, not her father. Next question, everyone. I'm telling you, do not miss this video. You are going to get a lot of good content from this video. So do watch till the end for your practice and mock test. Which of the following options is not correctly matched in the context of Chinua Achebe's Things Fall Apart? Okonkwo, a respected Igbo warrior; Noe, Okonkwo's father; Ikemefuna, a boy taken as a peace settlement; Umofia, the village where Okonkwo lives. And fifth option you have none of the above. Which is going to be the correct one? Find it quickly because this is the quick revision series. Posting at 2 o'clock was not a good idea. Bringing more helpful and advantageous content is good. In a day 2 video was not helpful. I am thinking to bring a MCQ series based only on the major topics, whether British writers and Indian writers combinedly. What do you think? These two topics single score you very well. Correct answer, everybody. Things Fall Apart. You have to find the correct matched in terms of Things Fall Apart by Chinua Achebe. So Okonkwo's father Noe was option 2, not Noe was Okonkwo's son, not his father. Okay. Next question you have. This was the quick revision series, so I have not put the much explanation here. So I hope you do understand. Which of the following options is not correctly matched in the context of F. Scott Fitzgerald's The Great Gatsby? This work is also very important by F. Scott Fitzgerald. Jay Gatsby, a wealthy and mysterious millionaire; Nick Carraway, narrator of the novel; Tom Buchanan, Daisy's brother; Jordan Baker, a professional golfer. Correct answer, everybody? Not correctly matched in the context of F. Scott Fitzgerald, The Great Gatsby. So correct answer of the question is going to be the option 3, that is Tom Buchanan is Daisy's husband, not her brother. Next question. Which of the following is not correctly matched in the context of Salman Rushdie's Midnight Children? Salim Sinoy, born at midnight on India's Independence Day. Padma, narrator's listener. Adam Aziz, Salim's grandfather. Shiva, Salim's biological brother. Quickly, there are many characters in the question you can practice. Which is going to be the correct one? Correct answer not correctly matched in the terms of Midnight Children is option 4, that is here. Shiva and Salim are switched at birth, but they are not biological brothers. Switched at birth, as you can remember the many films you have watched. When they born, they have switched by people. So because they wanted to make their child grow in rich family, so they switched when they born. It's something like this. Next question you have, it's matching. List 1 you have author and list 2 you have character. Mulkraj Anand, VS Nepal, RK Narayan and Anita Desai, and character you have Mohan Biswas, Bakha, Bim and Swaminathan. Quickly find the correct answer everybody. Mulkraj Anand, VS Nepal, RK Narayan, Anita Desai, and the character you have Mohan Biswas, Bakha, Bim, and Swaminathan. Here you have options. Which is going to be the correct one? Mulkraj Anand, Bakha, VS Nepal, Mohan Biswas, RK Narayan, Swaminathan, and Anita Desai, Bim. These are the characters. Mohan Biswas, the work House for Mr. Biswas, novel published in 1961. Bakha from Untouchable, Bim from Clear Light of Day, and Swaminathan, Swami and his friends. Next question, everybody. Option A was the correct here. Mulkraj Anand, Bakha, Untouchable, Mohan Biswas, A House for Mr. Biswas, 35. 61. Swami and Friends. This work was published in 37 or 35, I guess. And Anita Desai, Bim, Clear Light of the Day. Remember in this work, Anita Desai, Clear Light of the Day, if they will ask you or if there any question, stream of consciousness technique you will find in this work. Next question, everybody. Indian writer Anita Desai uses a stream of consciousness technique used by Virginia Woolf, James Joyce, William Faulkner. You have to match the character from the novel and work. Here you have Stephen Dedalus, Piggy, Clarissa Dalloway, and Winston Smith. And the work you have Lord of the Flies, a portrait of the artist as a young man, Mrs. Dalloway, and 1984. Find the correct one. I told you this video is going to be extremely helpful. Do watch till the end and please share this to more and more students. Which, what is the correct answer, everybody? Do find Stephen Dedalus, Piggy, Clarissa Dalloway, and Winston Smith. Use the technique to find the correct answer. And I'm really grateful to the students who are appreciating the work, the content. Correct answer. Option C, we can match Mrs. Dalloway, Clarissa Dalloway. So option 3 we can find in the option A only, that is A2. You can match A2 Stephen Dedalus, a portrait of the artist as a young man. Piggy you have Lord of the Flies, Clarissa Dalloway, Mrs. Dalloway, and Winston Smith, 1984, novel by George Orwell. Next question, everybody. Where are the options? See the question, then I will show you the option. Match the list with the Shakespeare and modern drama. Here you have character Prospero, Blanche Dubois, Stanley Kowalski, and Brutus. And the here drama you have A Streetcar Named Desire, The Tempest, Streetcar Named Desire, it pushed 2 times, and Julius Caesar. Then there are 2 characters from the work. It happens sometimes. What is going to be the correct answer? Correct answer, let's see. Prospero we can match with Tempest. I have to show you the option so that you can find yourself. Here you can see options. What is the correct answer, everybody? Prospero you can match the Tempest. A, second. Correct answer you have. Do not create problem. Yes, correct answer you have option A. That is, you can match simply here. Prospero, The Tempest, the work by William Shakespeare. Blanche DuBois, A Street Named Desire. Stanley Kowalski, again it's A Street Named Desire, and the work is by Terry Eagleton. Do remember. And Brutus from Julius Caesar. Next question, everybody. Next question you have author and character. You have to match Mark Twain, Harper Lee, J.D. Salinger, and Toni Morrison. And the character you have Holden Caulfield, Tom Sawyer, Atticus Finch, and Seth. Correct answer, everybody. Mark Twain we can match with Tom Sawyer. So here you can find option A, A2, B3. One second. B3 you have Atticus Finch, C1, Holden Caulfield, and Toni Morrison, Seth. Do remember this character is very very important. Toni Morrison, Seth character. It is from I think Beloved. Beloved work by Toni Morrison. Mark Twain, Tom Sawyer. This is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. Why it happens? Next question you have, everybody. You have to match the character with their work. Offred, Esther Greenwood, Sally, and Jane Eyre. And the work you have the Bell Jar, The Handmaid's Tale, The Color Purple, and Jane Eyre. Which is going to be the correct answer? Sometimes we don't able to find, but this is how the question appears in exam also, that we could not understand. So you have to be very careful. I wish you all the best. Correct answer you have, it's clear. Correct answer you have A. You can simply match Jane Eyre you have, and A2, The Handmaid's Tale of Fred by Margaret Atwood. C3 you can match Sally from The Color Purple, Alice Walker, and the last second B you can match with The Bell Jar. This is the correct answer of the character with their work. Next question you have. In Wuthering Heights, Heathcliff is adopted by option A you have Mr. Linton, Mr. Earnshaw, Edgar Linton, or Hindley Earnshaw. Which is going to be the correct answer? In Wuthering Heights, Heathcliff is adopted by which of the following options? Correct answer of the question is option B, Mr. Earnshaw adopted Heathcliff in the novel Wuthering Heights. Next question you have, in the guide, who is Rosie's husband? Option A you have Raju, option B Marco, option C Gafoor, or option D Ramu. In the guide, who is Rosie's husband? You have seen already, correct answer is option B Marco. Let's move on to the next question. Again you have to match this. Character and work. Hester Perrin, Atticus Finch, Seth, and Elizabeth Bennet. To Kill a Mockingbird, The Scarlet Letter, Beloved, and Pride and Prejudice. What is the correct answer? It's easy. We can match simply Hester Perrin, The Scarlet Letter, Sate, you have Beloved, Elizabeth Bennet, Pride and Prejudice, and Atticus Finch from To Killing a Mockingbird. These are the correct options. Let's move to the next question, everybody. Next question you have, in Pride and Prejudice, Mr. Colin marries Charlotte Lucas, and reason is that Charlotte wanted financial security and social responsibility. Which option is correct? A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation. A is true, R is false. A is false, and R is true. Correct answer? In Pride and Prejudice, the novel is by Jane Austen, published in 1813. Mr. Colin is the character who marries Charlotte Lucas. This assertion is saying, and reason said that Charlotte wanted financial security and social responsibility. Correct answer of the question is option A, that is A and R both are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Jane Austen in her novel show the dilemma domestic aspects of English society, especially highlighting the woman, what type of behavior or what type of situations circumstances woman has to go. This was the major theme we can find in Jane Austen's work. In Waiting for Godot, who are the two central tramps? Option A, you have Lucky and Pozo. Option B, Vladimir and Estragon. Option C, Estragon and Godot. And option D, Didi and Lucky. You have to find out Godot, who are the two central tramps in the work Waiting for Godot by Samuel Beckett, published in 1953, and the French title for the same work published in 1952, if you remember. 1952. Central tramp we have is option B, Vladimir and Estragon. Next question we have, who is the narrator of The Great Gatsby? Option A, you have Tom Buchanan. Option B, Nick Carraway. Option C, Jay Gatsby. And option D, Daisy. Great Gatsby, you have to find out who is the narrator of The Great Gatsby. I thought to put this question series because for last 2 days you were solving the chronology and matching questions. Correct answer. Narrator, you have to find Great Gatsby. Sorry. Correct answer is B. Nick Carraway is the narrator for the work Great Gatsby. Next question you have, in A Passage to India, who accused Dr. Aziz of assault? Option A, you have Mrs. Moore. Option B, Adela Quest. Option C, Stella Moore. And option D, Fielding. Henry Fielding. In A Passage to India, do remember in three phases this work has been divided. The first one is temple, cave, and mosque. Temple, cave, and mosque. TCM. Correct answer, Adela Quest, who accused Dr. Aziz of assault in a cave. This incident took place was Adela Quest. Next question you have, character and list 2 you have work Tess, Balram Halwai, Prospero, and Janie Crawford. Work you have The White Tiger, The Tempest, Tess of the Urbervilles, and Their Eyes Were Watching God. Correct answer, everybody? Correct answer. Tess we can match with option 3, Balram Halwai, we have seen the White Tiger, Arvind Adiga, Prospero Tempest, and Jenny Crawford. Their eyes were watching God. This is the correct chronology. Matching, sorry, with the work of the characters. Next question you have. Who is the protagonist of A House for Mr. Biswas? Option A you have Hari Kumar, option B Mohan Biswas, option C Bakha, and option D Jagan. A House for Mr. Biswas, published in 1961 by V.S. Naipaul. Who? What is the name of Mr. Biswas' wife? Do comment everyone your answer. Correct answer. The protagonist of the work Mr. Biswas is Mohan Biswas. This character is too, you can't even imagine. In The Sound and the Fury, the events are presented through the consciousness of option A Benji, option B Quentin, option C Jason, and option D all of the above. In The Sound and the Fury, in The Sound and the Fury, you have to find out the events are presented through the consciousness of which of these characters? Benji, Quentin, and Jason. You can remember this character appears in the work In The Sound and the Fury. Correct answer of the question is all of the above. In the through the consciousness of the event presented by Benji, Quentin, and Jason. So all of the above is going to be the correct answer. Next question you have. In The King Lear, which daughter remains truly loyal to the king? Option A you have Regan, option B Goneril, option C Cordelia, and option D Ophelia. Correct answer everyone. In The King Lear work by Shakespeare, which daughter remains truly loyal to the king? Truly loyal to the king. Correct answer of the question is option C, Cordelia. Next question you have. Author and work you have to match Arundhati Roy, Kushwant Singh, Kiran Desai, and Amitav Ghosh. And work you have Train to Pakistan, The God of Small Thing, The Inheritance of Loss, and The Shadow Lines. Match correctly. Options you have. This is the quick revision series. I hope this series is going to be helpful because there are a lot of characters, work, publication, accession and reason, and there are a lot more surprising questions. So do watch and share and subscribe and do join the Telegram channel everybody. Arundhati Roy, we can match The God of a Small Thing. Kushwant Singh, Train to Pakistan, Kiran Desai, The Inheritance of Loss, and Amitav Ghosh, The Shadow Lines. This is the correct matching of the work. Arundhati Roy, The God of Small Things, A second. So there are two options you have. Option A and option 2. And Kushwant Singh, Train to Pakistan. If something like this happens, you can match the second work. Kushwant Singh, Train to Pakistan. Option 1, B first. B first appears in only in the option first. So this is going to be the correct answer. Next question everybody. The question. Next question you have. In The Wasteland, who is referred to as the third who walks away always beside you? Option A, you have the Fisher King. Option B, Stetson. Option C, a figure of hope or Christ. And option D, Tiresias. In Wasteland by T.S. Eliot, published in 1922, you have to find out that who is referred among these characters as the third who walks always beside you. Who walks always beside us? Who has been referred among these options? Correct answer you have a figure of hope or Christ. You could say now that God is always walk along with you in every circumstances. So this is what it mentioned in the work. Next question you have. In Midnight Children, who is Salim Sinoy's true biological father? Option A you have Ahmad Sinoy, option B William Methold, option C Shiva, and option D Wee Willie Winky. Which is going to be the correct answer everybody? Salim Sinoy, the protagonist of the work True Biological Father, you have to find out of these characters. Which is going to be the correct answer? Correct answer of the question is William Mathwold. Option B. William Mathwold is the correct answer. Next question you have. In the Heart of Darkness, Marlowe narrates his journey to meet option A, the general manager, option B, Kurtz, option C, the brickmaker, option D, the Russian harlequin. In Heart of Darkness, correct answer you have seen here, Kurtz. Next question was that in Heart of Darkness, Marlowe narrates his journey to meet. Option B, Kurtz. Next question you have. Some of the options I have not removed the answer. You have matched this now. Next question you have character and work. Seth, Salim Sinoy, Gabriel Farishta and Amu. Work you have Salman Rushdie, Toni Morrison, Arundhati Roy and Satanic Verses. If the character name is repeating, this is helpful for you. You are practicing. There are two different characters you can match. Correct answer everybody. Correct answer of the question is option A. That is, you can simply match option A here. Option A, Seth you can match with Toni Morrison, Salim Sinoy, Salman Rushdie, Gabriel Farishta you can match with the Satanic Verses and Amu in the work Arundhati Roy. Correct answer is this of the question number 38. Next question you have. Next question. Accession and reason. In The White Tiger, Balram Halwai writes letter to the Chinese premier. Reason is saying the novel uses an epistolary form to critique globalization. What are the correct answer? In The White Tiger, Balram Halwai writes letter to the Chinese premier. Read the statement and find the correct answer. Correct answer of the question is option A, that is A and R both are true and R is the correct explanation. Do remember, in The White Tiger by Arvind Adiga, Balram Halwai was the character who writes letter to the Chinese premier, and the novel uses an epistolary form to critique globalization. Epistolary form, letter is in a letter format. Next question you have. T.S. Eliot uses multiple languages in The Wasteland. Reason is saying the poem reflects a fragmented post war consciousness. Here is the option you can find the correct answer. Which statement is true? Assertion and reason. And the explanation. Find the correct answer quickly. Correct answer of the question is T.S. Eliot uses multiple language in the work. Option A here. Option A, that is T.S. Eliot uses multiple languages in The Wasteland. The poem reflects a fragmented post-war consciousness. Correct answer and the explanation. Next question you have. Which novel opens with the line, "It is a truth universally acknowledged"? Emma, Persuasion. Which novel you have to find out? Northanger Abbey and Pride and Prejudice. Which is the correct answer? It is a truth universally acknowledged appears in which novel? Emma, Persuasion, Northanger Abbey and Pride and Prejudice. All these works are written by Jane Austen. Correct answer option D, Pride and Prejudice. Next question you have. Who among the following is not a character in The Wasteland? Option A, you have the typist, Tiresias, the merchant from Eugenides, and option D, Ariel. Correct answer? Not a character in The Wasteland, work by T.S. Eliot, published in 1922, and the work work has 5 parts. The Wasteland. The correct answer, not a character, is option D. Ariel. Option D. Ariel. Next question, everyone. In the God of Small Things, the love laws refer to option A colonial restrictions, option B social taboos and caste boundaries, option C family traditions, and option D legal systems. This work by Arundhati Roy, only work by Arundhati Roy, is extremely valuable for your exam. Each point, concept, term from this work is helpful. Do not miss this. Colonial restrictions, social taboos, and caste boundaries, family traditions, and legal systems. The work reflects option B, social taboos and caste boundaries, is the correct answer. Okay, so this is the question I have for you today. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope your preparation is going well. So do subscribe at the end of the day. You know what you have today. If you know very well, do subscribe before I tell. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time. Do support the channel by sharing, giving a like, thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Keep practicing, keep working hard. Eventually, you will definitely reach your goal. So, with this aim, all the best for your exam, and take care, and bye bye. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Do subscribe, don't forget.